Standard 8, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 40, Continents, Africa and Asia. In first part we have learned about Africa continent. In second part we are going to learn about Asia. The wonders of Asia are Taj Mahal in India, Great Wall of China and Burj Khalifa in Dubai. There is a section in the exhibition providing information about our continent Asia in the tourism fair. The location of Asia is latitude 01 degree 16 north to 77 degree 43 north and longitude 26 degree 04 east to 169 degree 40 west. Boundaries of Indian Ocean in south, Pacific Ocean in east, Arctic Ocean in north, Europe in the northwest and Africa in southwest. The physical features of Asia are full of diversities. We find mountains, plateaus, deserts and plains here. There is Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world with 8,848 meters. Tibet Group of the world, the biggest and highest plateau in the world. Areas receiving maximum rainfall and snow-covered plains of Siberia. These are the features of Asia. This map shows the physical map of Asia, where we can find different heights of the landscapes. There are highlands which are shown in purple color, 4,000 meter heights of in brown color, 2,000 meter in grey color, 1,000 meter in red color, 500 meters of height landscape in pink color, and so in this way we can see the highest lands, plains, group of islands of Asia. The major deserts located in Asia are the Gobi Desert, the Arabian Desert and the Thar Desert. Following is a photo of desert of Kutch and Gobi Desert. They are the deserts of Asia. Dal Lake and Dead Sea. The feature, why can't one drown in the Dead Sea? Think and write. It is a feature that no one can drown or sink in the Dead Sea because Dead Sea has a high density because of its salt content, which is higher than the other sea, which makes it impossible for a person to drown or sink in the Dead Sea. This is the reason why one cannot drown in the Dead Sea. The climate of Asia is given below. The map shows the region colored with yellow color has less rain and pink color has winter rain and round the year rain. The green region has the round the year rain, that is having rain, and orange color shows the annual rain. In this way, there are different climatic zones in different parts of Asia. The vegetation and animal life is shown in the following map, where you can find desert, forest, deciduous forest, equatorial forest, monsoon region, Mediterranean climatic region. And there are many wild animals in Asia in different parts of the different countries. Next, we are going to learn about the rivers of Asia. Rivers like Ob, Yenisei, the Lena, the Armor, the Wangho, Yangtze, Sikyang, Mekong, Irrawaddy, Brahmaputra, Ganga, the Yamuna, the Sindhu, etc. are in Asia. Apart from these, many other cities, many other rivers are shown in the map. The map on page number 117 shows the various rivers of Asia. The table, fill in the blanks by studying the map given. Rivers, what sea does it flow into? The Ganga is in India, which flows into the Bay of Bengal and meet in the Indian Ocean. The river Lena flows into the Leptew Sea. The Tigris river flows into the Persian Gulf, and so on. There are many saltwater lakes and sweetwater lakes in Asia. Caspian Sea, Dead Sea in Jordan, Chilka Lake in India and Pulicat Lake in India are the saltwater lake, whereas Lake Baikal in Kazakhstan, Uller Lake in India, Dal Lake in India, Dhebar Lake in India, Tonal Sap Lake in Cambodia and Dongting Lake in China are the sweetwater lakes. The animal kingdom has many animals in the cold region are polar, bear, wolf, muskrat, raccoon, beaver, reindeer, caribou, dog and yak. Domestic animals in Asia are cow, buffalo, ox, camel, sheep and goat. The animals of hot deserts are camel, horse, donkey, mule, wild ass, Bactrian camel, etc. And the aquatic animals are seal, walrus, bumala fish, herring fish, salmon fish. These are the animals found in different regions of Asia according to climate of it. Next, we are going to learn about the people of Asia and some neighboring of India. 50% of total world's population resides in Asia. The people of Northern Asia are non-vegetarian. People near coastal areas eat seafood and people living in seasonal climate use wheat and milk. The map given below shows the picture of the people of Asia. The clothing of people of Asia is shown here, which are different from each other according to their tradition, culture and climate. India is a part of Asia where there are group of countries which are neighboring countries of India and has subcontinent. The group of countries that is India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Sri Lanka is known as the Indian subcontinent. Its strategic and geographical locations are distinctive in Asia. Pakistan is our neighboring country, declared itself as an Islamic nation after independence. Its capital is Islamabad. Khyber Pass, which is in Hindu Kush range, is located in Pakistan. Perennial river Sindhu has enabled the green revolution in Pakistan. Cotton is the important crop. Bangladesh is one of the more densely populated country of Asia. Bangladesh is formed of delta and alluvial soil. Ganga and Brahmaputra, the major rivers of Bangladesh, are the major waterways in Bangladesh. The capital city, Dhaka, is famous for its jute industry. Nepal is lying in the Himalayan ranges and is landlocked country. The capital city is Kathmandu. 40% area of Nepal is forest and 16% of land is cultivable. Crops grown here are rice, tea, cotton and cardamom. Bhutan. The Britishers called it the land of thunder dragon. It is surrounded by mountains and hills. Bhutan is developing with the help of India. Buddhism is the major religion. Yak is the distinct animal found here. And the capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Sri Lanka is the island was known as Ceylon, Sinhaldweep in the past. The Pak Strait in north and the Gulf of Mannar in the western separates it from the mainland of India. The Colombo is the capital city. There are 104 rivers in the small island country. The river Mahaveli is the biggest river. It experiences hot and humid climate because of the nearness of the equator. The main agriculture is rice and tea. It is also known as Ratnadweep or the Pearl of Indian Ocean. People speak Sinhali and Tamil in Sri Lanka. The last neighboring country of India is Myanmar. It is the land of Arakan mountain ranges and Irrawaddy river. Myanmar produces mineral oil and India purchases it. Because of the adverse climate, industries have not developed. The capital was Rangoon and now Naypyidaw is its capital. Waterways are the more important in Myanmar and it produces rice. So these were the countries in Asia and we have learned about the varied features and characteristics of Asia and Africa in this chapter. We have to complete this chapter in workbook and in the map book. You can use all these maps given in this chapter as a reference to complete the answers in workbook and textbook. Thank you.